Hi. So today we will discuss about class binding, and if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe it. Let's start. And this is the agenda. Let we will discuss like what is class binding, when should we use the class binding, and we will see the following examples. We will use the normal class attribute with water, and then we'll use the class binding and class binding with the normal class. Like we will use the two classes, one is class binding, another one is a normal class. And add and remove the single class. Suppose you have a multiple classes, then if you want to remove the single class, or you want to add one single class, then we will see the example. And we will also see like how to remove the existing class using class binding. Suppose you have a class attribute like three classes: color classes, italic classes, and bold classes. Okay, if you want to remove anyone from here, then how we will remove it, we'll see. Okay, and add or remove the multiple classes. This is our agenda today. Let's look an example now. Okay, first let's discuss like what is uh, angular class binding. So angular class binding basically used to add or remove the classes to or from HTML elements. Okay, like you can dynamically also add the classes based on the conditions. Also you can remove based on conditions. Okay, let me use some classes. Bold classes, bold class. Okay, so let's say font weight is bold. Let's take a second class, italic class, italic class. Okay, and let's say font style is italic. Third one is color class. Let's make color is it could be red or anything. Let's make it red. Okay, let's first we will see example with normal class. Okay, let's create a button in HTML file. Let's take one div, inside the div, and let's create a button. Here class attribute. Okay, let's pass like color class. Let's see the color of this button. Click me. Okay, our application is already running. Let's see. Localhost colon 4200. Okay, now you can see here it's the color is red. Okay, we will see the next example using class binding in Angular. Okay, so what we will do, we will take one variable here in component class. Okay, and then initialize this variable with our classes. Class to apply, like type of this variable is a string. Let me initialize this variable with two classes. One is italic class, another one is bold class. Could be anything, bold class. Okay, let me use this variable classes, or it's better to have this proper name, classes to apply. I don't think so, it's naming convention. Let me make it small, classes to apply. So what you have to do, you should have a square bracket. Okay, in this square bracket you have to use class. Okay, then use this variable name. Okay, what's happening here? So this variable, okay, it's binding to this class. So let's check here how this will behave. You can see here the font is like a italic, okay, and then the class is also bold, like its font is also bold, italic and bold. Okay, and let's see third things like can we use class binding as well as normal class? Yeah, of course we can use. Let me show you color class. Yeah, see, it's italic, bold and color. Okay, now we will see how we will add and remove the single class. Okay, me let me come to here, and let's take one more variable. Let's comment this variable and we'll see. Let me take one variable, apply bold class. So type of this variable is boolean, and let me initialize this with true value. Okay, let's come to the HTML part, and here we have two classes. Leave it, and let me use this apply. Okay, let's copy it from here. Apply and bold class. So you can see here like this variable value is true, so we are adding this class. Okay, based on the condition, if I'll put here like false, then it will remove, this class will remove from here. Okay, let's first see like how it behaves when we add this class. It's a bold. Okay, it's here you can see the font is bold. Let me make it false. The class will remove from there. Now you can see it's not a bold. Okay, so and either you can do one thing, if you don't want to remove it from there, like if you want to keep it like a true, okay, and then just you can change this from here also. If you want to remove your class, just put there this question mark, that means it is not, it works as a not. The value was is true. Whenever you will add this operator, then it will become false. Okay, and let me show you how to remove an existing class using the class binding in Angular. Let's take an example. Suppose we have a more than one class, color class, let me add here italic class, and third one is bold class. If you want to remove any one class from here, then how you will do it? Okay, let me remove this bold class from here. It's fine. Yeah, you can see here the bold is not here. Okay, let me remove this not operator. We'll add this bold class. Yeah, it's bold. Let me do one thing. Let me remove it, like how it works. You can see here it's bold, red and italic. Let me add this class binding. Okay, we have to remove this bold class. Let me make it false from here. Let's see how it works. apply bold class. Apply bold class. It should work. One second, one second. So it's not working. Why it's not working? Let me check. Italic class, bold class, color class. Okay, now you can see here. Now it's not a bold. Let me remove this, then it will become a bold. Yeah, it's bold. Let me add this. It's not a bold. And we will see the last one, how we can add or remove the multiple classes in Angular. So to achieve this task, we have to use the ng class instead of the class attribute only. Let me show you how we can do it. We will actually we will add multiple classes. So let me do one thing. Let me create a one method here only. Add the CSS classes. Let CSS classes. We will add two class. Okay, one is bold class, another one is italic class. Okay, let me initialize these both the classes here. Apply bold class is already there. Let me make it true. First we will add this, and the second one is apply italic class. Apply italic class. Then true. To access the variables, you always have to use this. Then you can access your variables name. Apply bold class, and the second one is italic class. This dot italic class. So what we are doing actually here, we are just initializing this key with value true or false. Okay, whatever we defined here. Let me return this CSS class. Actually, we will use this method in HTML. Let's add two classes. Let me remove two classes because we have to dynamically add both of these classes. Let me use ng class, and then call the methods here. Let's see how it works. Yeah, see, it's italic, bold. Okay, and the color is red. Okay, let me remove it. Let's see how it will works. You can see here, it's not a bold, not italic, it's a normal font. Okay, let's again see with the ng class. You can see here, it's bold, italic, and color is red. So this is the class binding in Angular, and that's it from my end. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.